Welcome to One Chemistry. Always do your best. Now we will see top 10 molecules in the group theory. We will see their point groups. These molecules are difficult to imagine in the paper. We will see from 3D animation. Stay tuned for complete information. What is inside this video? Inside this video, first we will see what is symmetry, then we will see some special molecules such as biphenyl group or tecalin group or cyclohexane or cyclooctatetraene. Here you can see the animation, you can understand it much better. What really means special here? Special means you cannot imagine in writing in the paper. So this video will help you a lot. Let us quickly see what is symmetry. Symmetry means you are moving a molecule to get a same molecule. The movement technically called operation, very specifically it's called elements. Here I given the animation of water, you are just rotating the water. That rotation is called operation. You will get the same molecule again and again by rotating 120 degrees. This kind of operations help to identify the properties of the molecules such as polarity. The first molecule is cyclooctatetraene. The name itself suggests that it is an 8-member carbon ring. There will be 4 double bonds. This molecule very difficult to understand in paper because it is a dove shape. So it has only C2 symmetry. You see the operation there, only you have C2 symmetry. Then you have another NC2 axis are there. So you have C2 symmetry and perpendicular dihedral plane. So it is called D2D point groups here. So the point group is, it has one C2, it has principal C2 and 2 C2 axis is perpendicular to that and the plane of symmetry bisected. So it has 2 sigma D and 1 S4. So the point group of the molecule is D2D. The next molecule we see is ethane. Ethane has two forms, eclipse and staggered. Eclipse means one atom behind the another atom. The eclipse has the main symmetry C3. Then it has C2 axis which is perpendicular, which has 3. Then it has 3 sigma V axis and 1 perpendicular sigma H. So the point group of it will be D3H. The staggered form is much more symmetrical one. It also has C3 symmetry and perpendicular NC2 axis. One thing specially here is it has sigma D plane which eclipse form doesn't have. So eclipse form it has D3H, staggered form it has D3D. Then we see similar kind of arrangement which is ferrocene, it has eclipse as well as staggered. The same thing happened here, only you have C5 symmetry here. C5 symmetry is extremely rare, only ferrocene have it. Here you see the ferrocene molecule is like sandwich molecule, central metal atom will be there, top and below is 5-member ring. So it has definitely C5 rings and it has many sigma V and perpendicular H. So the point group is D5H. The same thing you see here is like staggered form, but only difference is it has sigma D and S10 axis. So it has D5D configuration. So eclipse always D5H, staggered always D5D. Next thing you will see is very much unusual, which is bicyclic system. Bicyclic system very common one is one bridged carbon and two bridged carbon. One bridged carbon clearly you can see it has C2 rotation. You take the help of the animation, you can understand. By 180 degree you will get the same molecule. But here in double bridged carbon You have C3 symmetry where you can see from top to up. So here you have C3 symmetry as well as plane of symmetry and NC2 axis. So the plane of symmetry come perpendicular. So the point group is D3H here. The next important thing we will see is decalene. Decalene is the important point group where cis form only have one C2 symmetry, but in the trans decalene it has V symmetry also. Here you see the animation, only cis form has only C2. Trans decalene you can see the plane as well as C2 symmetry in the same animation. So you should know cis is C2, trans is C2V. The next is like connected ring system or kind of crossed perpendicular planes. The main examples are biphenyls and spirenes and alene. These kind of molecules are better understood by animation, so watch the animation clearly. The biphenyl compound has D2D axis because it has NC2, C2 and diagonal plane. Similarly, spirene also have same set of value, that's why it has D2D. Alene also same. Here you see the animation, you can understand it much better. Here the important thing is like dihedral angle. Dihedral bisect both the plane equally. So you should know this kind of system always have D2D point group. The next one is in octahedral form. In octahedral we have two kind of isomer, which is facial and meridional. Facial means 3 atoms in the same plane. Meridional means it's like T kind of arrangement of atoms. So 2 T's joined together. From the animation clearly see the facial has 3 atoms together, hence it has C3 symmetry. But in meridional, from the top point of view you can see it has C2 symmetry as well as plane of symmetry. So facial has C3V symmetry, meridional has C2V symmetry. The facial has the C3 because of atoms in the triangular plane. Here I given the collective references of the molecule which I know, so it will be very useful for you for any examination or any self-analysis. Make use of it. That's all from me today. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.